In this video, we are going to be creating a little improvisation using open fifths in both hands on the white keys. So this is an open fifth, classic beginner's pentascale position on the white keys. But we're only going to be using the thumb and the fifth finger in both hands. Both hands are right now in the F position. Both hands are in the D position, or in C position, or A, etc. And both hands are going to be block. So what that means is we could have, and they're going to be moving parallel. So if one is in the F position, the other is going to be in the F position. We could have them both doing the same sort of rhythm. They could be doing something like this. Etc., right? Both doing the exact same rhythm. Now, we could have one just hold and the other one do the rhythm. The right hand had the rhythm there. Now I'm going to do it if the left hand had the rhythm. I move this down an octave. Okay, you got the idea. They could be spread out even further. What if it was something like this? So now one could be pulsing. Let's say this one is pulsing. Steady, and this one has some sort of rhythm against that. It's a little bit harder to coordinate. Let's move this up higher, see what that might be like. I'm going to make the pulse faster. What if it's more like this? Now I could make this even faster, and this one maybe not as busy. The pulse was in the right hand. Let's make it a slow pulse and give some sort of hold and rhythm down here. Forgot my pulse there for a moment. But you get the idea. There can be a pulsing hand. They both could pulse. Or one could hold, the other have a pulse. One could have a rhythm. Let's say the left hand has a rhythm, and this is just being held. Or they both could work together in some sort of punchy fashion. Etc. So have fun with that. Open fifths, both block, vary it, see what you come up with. Have fun.